just checked into the Riviera, and we're about to go into our room. So, there you go. Scan the Magic Band and coming in. Oh, yeah. So, here's how the walkway looks. Beautiful, nice mirror. Kitchen. That's a lock off. You have a connecting room, deluxe studio, I believe. Front door has a nice stand. We've already been in, so you see we got our mask hanging up. All right. That way is the bathroom in the room, but we'll come back around there in a minute. Here we have a full kitchen here in this 1-bedroom villa here. So, full stove, microwave, dishwasher, coffee pot, refrigerator, and I'm gonna open that up. See, so nice and clean and ready for us to go. Big, nice, full table. And one of the things you're gonna see that I definitely love about this resort already is all the Disney touches. Looks beautiful artwork. We got Remy here and the mouse. And then Riviera design on the kitchenette table. Beautiful chandelier. And then as we come into the room, we have this huge TV. And this beautiful stand here. I'm going to show you some magic there. You can see our reflection in the mirror. Hi, me and the baby. It's our room area. And again, another surprise here. We have lights everywhere. More Disney artwork. Mickey, Minnie. Some abstract Beauty and the Beast artwork. And again, some more Beauty and the Beast artwork here. Have a room phone out here. Beautiful view. We're going to head into the bedroom here. Again, it's a king bedroom. So a beautiful, gorgeous bed. Some more artwork, the Aristocats taking a nap and playing. We'll get outside to that balcony view in just a moment. Nice full desk here with another room phone. Some beautiful doors. Large TV, drawers. Disney made sure everything is nice and clean for us. Having the plastic, and you can still use those in the plastic. Large closet, huge closet, lots of space, storage. Our suitcase is already in there. Stand for your suitcase. Big mirror. And I love these doors. Something you're going to see here. When you push one door closed, the other side slides. So isn't that really cool? And you got background commentary from smallest baby Henderson there. So we got the big sink, beautiful bathroom. Your H2O products. And then we have my favorite part, everybody. This huge tub. Beautiful. Look at that wall. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Again, the room. Beautiful chandelier. Second favorite thing. This is beautiful shower. And it is a walk-in shower. Gonna go on in and show you how deep it is. More H2O products and clean. And I'm sitting down in the shower. See how much space we got here. Beautiful rain shower. There. Another sink. So again, you do have another area for your party with storage and everything. And there is another set of pocket doors. I do want to say that. So that can be closed off. As you see there, some more hooks. And remember that door closed when we first walked in to the bathroom. So we're back out in the main walking area. And it is a villa. It's a DVC resort. So there is a washer and dryer. And I see people talk about this a lot because they don't know what this is. This is a collapsible laundry basket. And they gave us some detergent, but of course you're more than welcome to bring your own Whirlpool. And another closet here that has your ironing board and iron in there. And again, we're back to the door. And again, this place is beautiful. But now here's the surprises I wanted to show you guys. My little Disney Tinker helpers are here. So here is that front there with the let down bed. And again, this room sleeps 5. So here's where your 5th person would sleep. And then remember that magic with those beautiful art pieces there by the sofa? Well, it lets down into a Murphy bed. And then you got Peter Pan and the darling children flying off to Neverland. And that's so awesome. All right, so I opened up all the cabinets and everything so you guys could see everything that comes in the room, because this is definitely a big part of it, all the things that you're getting. So again, a full dishwasher. You have casserole dishes, glasses, coffee pot, toaster. Here's the trash and a nice stowaway area. Some mixing bowls, Tupperware, measuring cup, more pots and pans. And as you can hear but not see, there are kids running around. This place has plenty of space for them to play. So there you go. Light automatically comes on when you open the stove. There you go. We already got a couple of things in there ready to go. There's my awesome mom who's helping out, making sure I get everything. And then there are the kids. Wave hi, Chris and Clarissa. All kinds of runs. So we have a walker in here. Wagon, I'm sure if we get a crib, there'll be plenty of space. And also something that I noticed, I did want to show you guys. Haven't seen nobody notate that, but it's more drawers here under the bench. It's really awesome. And the designs on the bench here. All right, Remy said, check you later. Now here's the best part. We are going to take a look out onto the balcony. So something you guys got to make sure you do that. That's to unlock. Pull it down. And that's our room, which also opens up. So you see a sliding door there. Beautiful chairs. And then we look out and look at that view, you guys. It's big bucks, but it's totally worth it. So you see some of the Bonnet Creek hotels, Caribbean beach across the water. Down there is the swim pad for the kids and the main pool with the water slide. On the other side there is a quiet pool or adult pool area. And again, this place is just beautiful. It's just gorgeous with that view. And again, the patio with the room. So again, everybody, this is a 1-bedroom villa at the Disney's Riviera Resort Hotel at Walt Disney World. And I can't wait to book you guys a stay here. You're going to love it. So here is an evening look of the day we checked in with the girls getting ready for bed. The little one is in a crib that was provided by the resort staff. That is free and included in the hotel stay. The girls' beds are let down. They're ready for bed watching Disney Junior. And if you look around, you can see there's still plenty of floor space that anyone that's up can still move around without bumping into anything. And again, this is just a great space and a great villa for your family of 5 or 5 and a baby. If you want to stay at this resort, it's beautiful, it's nice, all the amenities you need, both inside and out. And I do highly recommend it, not just as your agent, but as a Disney fan myself.